In this video, you will see how to set margins in Word Online. It's very easy. To set margins, you need to click here on the Layout tab. The option is available under the Layout tab. After clicking on it, you will see the option of margins. Click on the drop down and you will see some templates available here. You can select any one of them, or if you want to custom margin, then you can click on the last option, custom margins. Here you will see top, bottom, left and right margins. You can use this up and down arrow to increase or decrease the margin. And once done, you can just click on OK to set margins in Word document online. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Word online quickly. See you again in the next one.